Hi, this is Greg with Calendarsnack. You can see them in the Calendarsnack dashboard here. I'm going to go to Send Invites, and what I'm going to do is pick out one of these Colorado Rockies games. Today is April 21st, 2024. I have all the Rockies games schedule uploaded. There's 138 games left. So for this storybook, I've already sent 11 to the game today for 421. I'm going to go send the game for tomorrow. San Diego Padres at Colorado Rockies. I'm going to send 11 calendar invites to those people for that particular Rockies game. So to do so, I'm going to click this button here. I am going to send invitations to a VIP list, as I discussed earlier. I'm going to choose a file. That file is going to be a text file of email addresses. I'm going to double click that. It's going to load that data into the AWS system in which we've built on top of. Our service is called the Simple Invite Service. It sends calendar invitations to lists and off of upcoming landing pages. That said, I'm going to pick this game, 422, which is tomorrow. I'm going to go down here and say yes. Apologize for the long scroll. I'm going to type in yes, send VIP invites. So essentially send calendar invites to this list. And you can see that I am programmatically sending these calendar invites in the background. So how would you know that? Let's just pick out a couple here. I got to let the calendar invite process through the AWS service right now. So let me go to a quick slide to tell you about what's going on here. So in the background, what's going on is I actually sent all my Rockies game schedule to the service overall, the back-end service. You do that by basically sending all your calendar invite information to create@calendarsnack.com. That starts a process in the background to a simple email service by Amazon. And then the rest of the stack we built ourselves. Quickly here, number 2, we process it. And in number 3, they show up on your dashboard as I've indicated right here. If I go back, this is your dashboard right here. So in the dashboard itself, what's going on in the background is the calendar invites have gone out, and via step number 4, as I've indicated here. And step number 5, which I'm going to show here in a second, is the calendar invite data is collected. And if you follow this workflow from the front end to the back end, I've collected this data, we've collected this data here on the front in the panel itself in the dashboard. So let me go back to the demo. The calendar invites should have been sent out. Let's take a quick here peek on a real live demo. So this is for the Rockies game here, 422. That's tomorrow. Today's 421. Let's go look here to some of the people I sent it to. So there we go there. Right there. That is sent to Greg Hanchin at 31 Events. So he received one here. He's going to say, maybe I might go to that event. We're going to go to Zach's identity here. Here's Zach at techvader.com. I'm going to click here, and Zach's going to say, yes, I'm going to go. And then I'm going to go to the third demo account here, San Diego at Colorado's Rockies, just to make sure we're on the same page. Click. That's for the 22nd. Again, today's the 21st. Mandy's going to say yes. And I'm going to go back and look at this data on the dashboard itself. Now, I'm going to scroll back here. And I'm just going to do a quick screenshot, which I don't even know I can do. I assume I can do. Okay, so I'm going to grab this screen here. I'm going to save that somewhere else for something else I'm working on. And I'm going to show you that in the dashboard itself, if I go here to View Events, you can see that if I make this dashboard a little bit bigger, hopefully you'll be able to see it. There you go. So 3 RSVPs have been received. I've showed you that between Greg at TechVader, Greg at 31 Events, and Mandy at TechVader. That data now has been loaded into this dashboard here. And so what I'm going to do here very quickly in the dashboard is scroll back. Hang on here. My bad. Let me go back to the dashboard for the 22nd data. I'm going to go into that data. And what I'm going to do is get the report on it. And you can see that of all the events, these are all the event data going on. But in particular in the dashboard, what I'm looking for is the data from the 22nd. So I'm going to go to this button here, and you can see that there's the data. 2 have said yes, 1 has said maybe. Now, I don't get explicit data here yet. To get that data, I have to click this invitee report, because under PII, that's email information. We're not allowed to show it in the application itself, to be cautious. So I'm going to go to my organizer of the invite, and that organizer was here under Colorado Rockies fans. That's me, who actually sent out all these invitations. And I'm going to go to other, and my snack report just came in. It's right here, and I'm going to just preview it. And you'll see, if I go a little bigger here in this report, that the report has, looking at Mandy accepted, Zach accepted, and then Greg at 31 events was tentative. So you can see we actually carve out that explicit data, the reporting engine itself, which I've showed you right here. If I go to this slide right here, excuse me, and make it bigger. So what I did was I pulled down this particular event out of the organizer dashboard. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out.